Hello, hello, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tara, and I'm going to do my Boxycharms unboxing. I'm going to show you the box here, and then I'll just talk about. Hold on, everything is falling over, Chad. Bear with me. So, this is the box. Okay. I know. Here she go with these ratchet videos, but it's gonna get better. How is everyone doing in this time of uncertainty, lockdown? Um, I know you all may be frustrated or upset, angry, mad. The kids are missing out on their education. You're missing out on your money to take care of your business. But thank God that God has turned the heart of the king, which is the president, in our favor. He's going to release some stimulus. Also, the companies, rent, mortgage, lights, they're going to extend, um, as a courtesy, the payments so that nobody, the due date for your bills, so nobody is evicted, kicked out, and cut off, shut off in the dark. Okay. All right. So we just thank God that um we have a president that's willing to do that. Um whether I'm a Trump supporter, that doesn't matter. That's a yay or nay. I just think that that's a good thing to do at this time, for people who need it. Okay. So the first thing that I am going to show you is this. Okay. And it's from Benefits, right? It's Spongeli. On the back it said Benefits Body Wash Buffer. Dermatologist tested. And this is the back. So it's multi-use. And the scent is French lavender. And so I'm going to open the box and take the sponge out. It's kind of hard. Don't want to come out. So I'm just going to turn it upside down like that. It fell. So yeah, take the sponge out, and that's what it looks like. And it looks like a little flower, and it's very firm, solid. So that's neat. That's a great idea. Actually, wow. So next we have, in this Boxycharm box, is Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleaning Balm. Um, okay, and let's open it. Um, what's my little thing? I had a, what's it name? I had something. see it, but I had a box that was, it was a very, very, very good prop. And I was able to stick my phone down in it and use it. Okay. I don't see it. And that's just so that I don't I can find somewhere to stick my phone so that I can be hands free for a minute while I open this. And this is like a little spatula that comes with it. And then this comes out. This is what it looks like. It smells good. It's lightly scented. And it's pink. Just the consistency of it. Okay. And that's a neat little trick. Another good product, actually, that somebody came up with, and I'm just going to put it here and see. It's oil. It's oily. See that? It's oil. It melts right into your skin. It melts right on your skin. And I assume that's how the makeup is going to come off. And so I'm going to take, this is my makeup brush. And this is a cotton ball that I've put alcohol on. And I'm just going to take it and wipe it. And the reason why I'm wiping it with this alcohol, see, it's kind of, because it still has some makeup on it from a previous brand that I used. But I want to use this brush in a few minutes. So alcohol dries really fast. And I've cleaned, not all of it, but a lot of it off. Okay, now, so now you guys can see the rest of me. And let's see. Let's put the sponge box there. Okay. Oh, and I do have on my garment. This is QMS. This is Medi Cosmetics, and it's lip line corrector. It's a lip serum. Okay. And so it opens like this. And then you just retwist it. Okay. And it's like a really thin lotion. I don't know what it does. And it says lips. So, and this is just a wipe that I got out earlier to use. Same wipes equate from Walmart that I like to use. They're very cheap. lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lip for a smoother, youthful appearance. Skin type all. So it's supposed to plump your lips up and make them look nice and smooth. You know, kind of get the wrinkles out, especially if you are wearing that matte lip color or lip stain, you know, that dries your lip out. And this right here is called Energetic, and it is a lip pencil by Becca. Okay, and this is the little, I guess, where you can correct, and then this is the sharpener. Okay, and this is the pencil. Okay, and what color do we have here? It's red. That's pretty. Mm. And we're just gonna take that off. Okay, so that's it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I'm now going to record my, I believe it's Color Pop. I have some more Color Pop makeup, so I'm gonna record that, and most likely I will probably do a get ready with me or a tutorial, depending on this video, how this video sounds. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up my video, and see you next time.